हाँ जी दोस्तों, तो जसनार पीलिंग के लिए हम रेडी हैं। पता नहीं क्या लगा दिया चेहरे के ऊपर, बर्निंग शुरू हो गई। और वीडियो
Starting to burn
yes, too much.
too much.
Yeah, like earlier.
But are you applying the creams
Yeah, the Shortcore.
only?
Yeah, that and
Are you applying
daytime.
anything on your face
No,
and
no,
exposed to the sun?
that sunblock only.
Which
That
one?
IQ7.
IQ7.
Yeah,
Stop it.
IQ7.
Because this melasma, there was nothing here before.
Okay, okay. Yeah, even I observed that this is appearing now.
Yeah. This one. No aftershave, nothing. Don't put any perfume on your face at all.
Well, I always use
Yeah.
that Shortcore.
Yeah.
That's it, nothing else.
خلاص, we finish. You need to wash now.
You see vitamin C, right? Before it did not burn this much. I think once we did before.
Now your skin is sensitive because you
much.
started the treatments, no? Before it is hard skin. That's
What
why
if
burning
you
too
go out
much.
now, will not
Sunblock.
use?
Sunblock.
But she said don't use.
Sunblock.
Ayo. हाँ जी दोस्तों, तो किसी ने भी जसनार पीलिंग पाइन फेस ब्यूटी फिर इस तरह तो नहीं आती। तो किसी को भी कुछ भी डर्माटोलॉजी स्किन के हवाले से प्रोसीजर करवाना हो, इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए हो, तो जस्ट डू कमेंट। अपना ख्याल रखें। मिलते हैं फिर इसके रिज़ल्ट के साथ। जज़ाकल्लाह।